Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hey, what's up people out there, this is me Ashish from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video we are going to edit a very small baby girl photo, like a very bouquet photo with light strings and a very unique style. We will edit like a Brandon Woolfield type bouquet photo. So before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this. And if you still haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that it will notify whenever I post new video. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new background, PNG, color lookup, camera preset, lightroom preset, every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out and download for free. Let's jump to the Photoshop. Open the photo and open the photo which you want to edit. Now let's select the photo by using the quick selection tool from here. So let's click on the plus icon. First of all, we don't want to select, so let's add some bokeh strings on the photograph. Let's go to the file, click on open, and just go to the select the series bokeh. Let's select this. Now all you have to do is just drag and drop over here. Change the blending mode to screen. Now first of all, we'll duplicate this layer. Again we will duplicate this layer and just change the blending mode to soft light, so it will create a very depthness on the photograph. Here you can see the before and after effect. It really creates a very unique depthness. Now just merge both the layers. First of all, we'll delete this. Now let's go to the filter, then select camera filter and just go to the preset tab and select any of the preset, whichever you like. You can select it. First of all, we will reduce the lightness from this photo. Just decrease the whiteness. And just decrease the highlights. And then let's add some vignette on the photograph. Go to the effects tab. And that's it. And just press OK. Now we have added the vignette and reduced the lightness from the photograph. Now let's go to the exposure. Just decrease the exposure a little bit to around -20 or 25. So here you can see the before and after effect. We have reduced the exposure. Now just merge both the layers. Now let's go to the filter, then select camera filter. Then let's add some preset to the photograph. So go to the preset tab and from the user preset, you can download this all preset from the link given in the description, or you can download it from my website also. Just to select any of the preset, whichever it looks very moody and classy, just you can select that preset and use on the photograph. I think this would be the perfect preset. Or let's choose this black and white preset, I think. Let's select this preset and just press OK. You can find this preset on my website. I have already given you. Now let's add this bokeh string on the photograph. Change the blending mode to screen. Press Ctrl T and just place it anywhere over here. Like it should look like it is the girl is holding that string on the hand, so it should be looking like that photograph. Now let's add some more strings on the photo. Change the blending mode to screen. Press Ctrl T. Again, just duplicate this layer and press Ctrl T to rotate it. Arrange it in any of the direction. And it should be looking very realistic, like that way you can arrange that lights. Now let's create new layer and just select the brush tool and just add some lights on the photograph. Select the yellowish color light just to make a strokes. Change the blending mode to screen. Just to make a strokes like this. So that it will it will look perfectly like it is glowing. Let's add some more lights on this photo. You can delete this unwanted lights from here. Let's select eraser and you can erase this light. If you don't want, you can erase it easily. Now again, just duplicate this layer, press Ctrl T to transform. Just transform it in any of the direction. You can press it or keep anywhere over here. Now you can delete some unwanted lights from here. Let's select the eraser tool and just erase the lights from this side. Now again, just to make some more lightings on this. Let's select this layer, select brush tool and just give a little bit of lighting strokes on this side. Now it looks very realistic. Now let's add some more bokeh on this photograph. So we'll just select the bokeh and just select any of the bokeh from here. Let's select this one bokeh. Just drag and drop over this tab. Change the blending mode to screen. Press Ctrl D to transform it. You can again duplicate this layer. First of all, let's duplicate this bokeh layer. Press Ctrl T to transform. You can place anywhere over here. Let's press Ctrl U to change the color of the bokeh. Increase the saturation and just OK. Let's change the color to yellow color. Again, just press this, place this bokeh over here. Just duplicate that bokeh and you can also keep it over here. Just like this. Now almost we have completed our editing process. Now just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. And again crop the image by using the crop tool. And let's add some more effects on this photo. Let's go to the filter, select camera filter. And let's go to the, first of all let's duplicate this layer. And let's go to the filter, then camera filter, and go to this preset tab. Then again select any of the Moody presets from here. Let's select this and press OK. So here we have given one more moodiness on this photograph. So let's delete some kind of photo from here, area from here. So select the mask tool, create a clipping mask on this layer. Select the brush tool and select the black color from here. Increase the size of the brush and select the soft round brush and just erase it from this portion. Decrease the opacity to around 70%. Just erase it only from the face region only. Now it looks very cinematic. If you want to erase some more, you can erase it from the hand. Now it looks very cinematic, yes. I'll just merge both the layers. And here finally we have completed our Moody small baby photo editing process, like a very trending photo. Here you can see the before and after effect. It really looks very moody and looking like